TPG is an alternative asset investment firm with over $100 billion in assets under management. We have over 1,000 employees located in offices all around the world. Strategically, we were looking to provide a vision into all of the complex data that we create as we go through the deal lifecycle, specifically as it relates to our legal and compliance teams. We were looking for a partner with our initial implementation of Appian for a few reasons. One, we needed someone with deep expertise in the platform. We also were very keen on having someone that would work to enable us to learn alongside them, as well as be our partners and our development team as we went forward. We picked Bits and Glass to be our partner in our initial implementation just because of obviously them being a trusted Appian partner. That was huge for us. Bits and Glass was easily able to keep up with our business processes, understand them, and convert that into what that would look like in the Appian platform.
At the core of our business, allocations, accounting allocations, and how things are billed is a key component of a private equity firm. The skill set that Bits and Glass brought to the development project allowed us to develop some rather complicated software in a short order. They help us meet the agile milestones necessary to increase velocity for a development team. They developed custom reports for us that made the system more user-friendly, as well as more flexible in how those reports were produced for the various business departments at TPG. And as we have evolved the software, we've seen the Bits and Glass developers be able to speak into those processes and make them even better than how we sometimes understood them.
I would say that the biggest contributor to the success from Bits and Glass that made a measurable impact was in their ability not just to have expertise in Appian, but also to be able to dig into the business process and understand it well enough to develop it the right way.
Getting added to the project made a real difference in enabling us to really understand what was happening on the technical side of the Appian implementation. They were always able to stop and take time to explain things and help us understand why we were implementing something a certain way. It was a very smooth relationship always, very easy to work with people, very easy to hop on a call, very responsive all the time.
My favorite thing about Bits and Glass, twofold. One is in their ability to hear what we're really looking for and help us figure out what that looks like in the code or in the development cycle. The second thing is they've really been a lot like family and very, very close to us, which is way above and beyond any other type of business relationship.
So working with Bits and Glass has enabled us to roll out our applications even faster to our end users. We have over 600 users are actually using the system right now. Each of those users, I would say, now has visibility across all of the business units to see what's happening. Legal can easily come in and via reporting see, who has followed up on their tasks and who hasn't. From a reporting perspective and from a data quality perspective, having Bits and Glass help us implement our deal entry system has been key. The best part about working with Bits and Glass is knowing that they're going to be 100% dedicated to what we have going on in the next sprint and in the future.
For me, the Bits and Glass developers are really one of the key linchpins that have made the software successful.
They will be there as a partner beside you the whole way and even afterwards, making sure that their work is exactly what you wanted and what you needed. Bits and Glass really does, they feel a little bit like family for us.